Hi friends, this is Barbie Daly with Rural Life in the Valley. Thank you for joining us for Fairy Garden Thursday, hosted by Grandma Sandy, co-hosted by Sharon Shornagel, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Growing on Vancouver, and myself. Hi everybody. Come with me. I have something exciting to show you. Look, I just cleaned up the fire pit and turned it into a little garden, and it looks like the gnomes have taken it over. Let's look in and see what we can see. Oh look, I see Jerome sitting by a log, and the happy little tree stump is right there with him. There's a cute little fairy house. I see the green frog is talking to one of the little gnomes. And there's a cute gnome on a snail. Oh, Uncle Joe is practicing his climbing skills again. He's trying to climb up to the petunias. And the frog and the gnome are having a conversation. Well, I worked on the fire pit. For those of you who were with me last year, you know that I transformed a fire pit into a garden, and I had a lot of trouble with the deer eating the flowers and the cats. And so, of course, I have my rocks in here, and I created a little log, looks like a little log house, and a little dry river bed. Then I planted some Alyssum that I'm hoping will cascade over the rocks, and a volunteer snapdragon from last year popped up. And then we have the lupin all over. They are wild, and they planted themselves in and around the fire pit, as well as the yarrow. There's a snapdragon. And there's the yarrow. It's just beginning to bloom. It'll have nice white flowers. And then we have a big lupin plant right at the end of the fire pit. It comes back every year. And this year I trimmed it up really nice, and it was starting to look a little sad. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the little gnome garden. And of course, I'm always wishing you a wonderful day or evening wherever in the world you are. Bye-bye.